Oh no, I think my exhaust fan is broke. See, it used to be a lot more powerful and noisier. See, 1-0. Okay, I'm inside Lowe's Kitchen Appliances, looking for some range hood. I don't want these microwave ones because these are not powerful enough right here. So let's look for some like this. These are dedicated range hoods. Something powerful. I need 800 CFM. Oh, look at this one. This one is 400 CFM. It looks pretty nice. Oh, here are some growing ones too. Look. The installation guys are here. This is a new range hood. So we removed the microwave. Oh, okay. I thought there would be like a bird nest or something. Moving all the films. So here are the interior. See, here's the model, the power. Remove this vent cover first. That's what's going to be pulled in the vent outside. So since my inlet venting is rectangular, we're installing this rectangular template. Okay, line it up, and then we want to put it up there. It's going to be held on by some type of fastener. We don't need like a bracket or anything. Inserting the screws. Okay, we found a way to screw it on. I'm gonna put this cover on.
The number that I called you on when
this must be the oil collector drip tray.
I was like, I've never bolted one of
that
those
makes
off
sense.
because it's supposed to just slide in.
So this microwave with a built-in exhaust fan has 450 CFM, but unfortunately it's only one little tiny fan. I'm gonna recycle this today. By the way, the recycling company or the trash company can recycle it for $5 to $10, where Lowe's will charge you $40 to recycle this. So that's money savings right there. Also included inside the box is this quick start guide, a warning notice, aluminum foil tape, user's manual, and some brochures, and this nice Hauslane microfiber cleaning cloth, along with a top 6-inch round exhaust adapter. And I think this is also called a rear adapter. I think this is one of those he removed in order for the opening to the vents. So here's how much I was charged for the Hauslane UCPS 18 30-inch under cabinets range hood. Alright, so the total for the range hood was $399.99 before tax. Of course, don't forget to factor in the Washington tax. Ended up paying a total of $439.59. The installation fee is $124. Of course, that's also taxable. $136.28. So the grand total after tax for the installation and also for the range hood came up to be $575.82. Now they call this a assessment fee, but that can be that's also part of the installation fee, which is taken out from that. Okay, so don't be surprised by that. Oh, this is nice strip steak. Let's get that. Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce to you my brand new range hood. It's the Hauslane UCPS 18 30-inch under cabinet range hood. It's made of stainless steel. I really like the stainless steel look. Even though it's angular, but if you have oily hands, it does take some cleaning. All right, so as you can see, I already set the time right here. Got the Hauslane logo on the left, so I'm gonna power on. Okay, first of all, this is touch screen. So let me go ahead and turn on the light. So a light is not a typical bulb. It's made of long-lasting LED bulbs featuring a warm 2700K color. It's only one setting though. See, it's on either on or off. So let's go ahead and turn on the fan. You can either press down or up to increase the level, okay? So let's go ahead and start at the 1. Okay, this is the lowest. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This is the max capacity. All right, of course, with the increase in the power, it gets a little bit noisier, but it's powerful though. Capacity features a countdown timer. You can set it any amount of time. See, it counts down 3 minutes, then it automatically stops, so you never forget. There's a lot of convenience in cleaning because it features 2 baffle filters, which is easily removed to unveil the powerful fans. You can put this in the dishwasher because it's dishwasher safe. So you don't have to hand wash it. See how easily that's removed. And on the back it features this oil dip tray, which also shows the oil indicator. That's also easily removed. I have 3 test criteria. First is the boiling water test. First off, you see the range hood reaches out as opposed to microwave. It wasn't covering outside of the stove. All right, so as you can see right here, let's go ahead and turn it to just 1. Okay. See, look how powerful that is. And this features a 500 CFM lab airflow or 860 CFM equivalent airflow. And I'm just using power level 1. So let's say if I were to hit it to the max, which is level 6. Check it out. No problem at all. And don't forget, steam is more dense than smoke. Next up is the smoke test. I can finally pan fry some steak. Doesn't that look delicious? Okay, I'm gonna pour some oil in here. Okay, the wok is getting hot. I better turn it on. Let's go ahead and turn it to the maximum capacity. So I placed the wok in the inside because the exhaust seems to be towards the wall, and I notice smoke escaping a little bit, so it depends on the placement too. And for my final trick, final test, let's see if we can pick up a plate. Oh, I'm just playing. Let's see if it can suck up the styrofoam plate. All right, let's go ahead and start with a level 1. Oh, I'm surprised. Okay, level 1 only. Both sides, okay. So I'm a little bit confused. Why? I imagine styrofoam plate is heavier than the smoke, so why did some of it escape over the edge? But this one kind of wants to stay. Maybe if I turn up the power. Okay, let's go ahead and turn it to the max maybe. See, there we go. That's pretty powerful. So here's my final verdict. I wish there was a stop button as opposed to having to just power off every time. Now I do like the finish and the style, and it is quite affordable at its specified CFM. I believe it's more around, it seems like the 500-ish, 860 seems to be a reach. So I don't know what that equivalent airflow is. And I wasn't gonna pay like double or triple the price for like the higher end ones, which is 1,000 CFM. I just thought that it's not worth the risk. I know the Hauslane brand is reputable, and I do like the ease of cleaning. So I don't have to hand scrub anything, just put it in the dishwasher and we're good to go. I was a little bit bummed out by the frying. So I noticed that if you are frying on high, especially stir frying, pan frying, or deep frying on high, the smoke can get over the fan and can go up to the ceiling and spread across the room. Even though it's highest max capacity of level 6, I noticed that it wasn't able to pick up all the smoke right away. It might take some time. So if you lower it probably to low or medium when you stir frying or cooking, it should be fine. It also does a pretty good job of eliminating odor. You can really smell it in the living room. If you are looking to update or replace your range hood, go ahead and give the Hauslane brand a look.